In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can fix Minecraft launcher error code with this specific number. Now this indicates a general system error or a problem with the Microsoft Store. Now I'm going to go ahead and list down some simple troubleshooting steps that you could try to fix this. Well, the first one is pretty obvious, and that is to restart your device, because sometimes a simple restart can often solve problems. So restart your device. The second fix is to check for Windows Update. Check for Windows Update. So ensure your Windows operating system is up to date, because outdated systems can cause compatibility issues. And well, you could look for updates, go to settings, search for system updates, and then see if there are any updates available. The next one is a kind of complex fix, which is to clear Microsoft Store cache. I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can do it as well. Store cache. So first of all, you have to go to settings on your Windows device, search for apps and click on apps and features. Locate the Microsoft Store app, click on the three dots next to the Microsoft Store app and select the advanced options. Under reset, click on reset. This will clear Microsoft Store cache. The next one is to reinstall Minecraft launcher. So reinstall Minecraft launcher. So uninstall the Minecraft launcher from your device, and this can be done from the settings, and then download the latest Minecraft launcher from the official website and install it again. The next one is to check for corrupted game files. Check for corrupted game files. So open the Minecraft launcher and look for an option to verify game files or scan for corrupted files. This will check the integrity of your Minecraft installation. Then you'll have to check for antivirus or firewall. Check for antivirus or firewall interference. So you have to temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall software to see if they're blocking the launcher. And then you could also try to run it as an administrator, because this often fixes errors. Run as an administrator. Alright. And lastly, you could check for Microsoft account issues, and you have to ensure that there are no issues such as payment or subscription problems. Now, let's say your error is still not fixed. Well, then you'll have to contact Microsoft support for further assistance, because they may be able to provide you more specific troubleshooting advice or information about the known issue. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.